Everyone, it's Kiki, and I'm going to do a review for this magnetic image blackboard. What else they call it? Plaster. That cracked me up. But it's really, actually, it's a really a thick quality. You see that? Where's my hand at? It's thick. Where are we? There we are. See how thick that is? It's super thick, and it's really magnetic. If I get it up there right. Sit right up in there, even though my fridge has a texture on it. Whoa, that thing is tight. It's tight, super tight. So and then they come with 2 pins. You have your yellow and your red. So I didn't prime the red, but I had to prime the yellow, and to prime it I just shook it up really good, and then I just held it down, and I didn't do anything else to it or screw with it because I didn't want to mess up the tip. So but now it's ready to go. So I'm going to say March. March 1st, right here. Where am I? There I am. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where do we go to? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Just for fun. You can see how well it works, right? I need to rewrite the March though, because that's my own fault. The pens have a lot of ink in them. You get this yellow highlighter, and they give you a red. I like both of them. I don't know. I don't have any complaints. So as far as color goes, you know, that's it. It's not rocket science. It's magnetic. Thank you, everyone. Sorry for my shakiness. Bye.